What's up, guys? So it's Memorial Day weekend. Well, it's Friday before then, at least, and it's pretty warm outside, and we've got tons of stuff to do. The goals for this weekend: this YZ250, got to get the motor rebuilt on that. KX60 over here won't run. We're not sure why. We got to do a compression test. Probably do a top end on that. Have the mobile work unit set up and running right now. It's got an air conditioner unit on the top of it, so it's cooling down. It is about 90 here. Got a 14 KX250F here. Won't start anymore, so valve adjustment, and also needs the front fork serviced. So actually I think it's a 15, not a 14. So looks like it needs a chain loop too. So this will be the first job I actually ever get to work on in the mobile work unit, and we'll be trying to do our YZ250 crank right here on top of the bench. So don't have a vise or anything installed yet, but we should be able to get through it. Now guys, that's just the customer stuff I'm trying to get done before the weekend's over. As far as my own stuff, if you watched my KX250 video, you saw where I screwed that thing up. The carb was loose, the boot was sucking air. I need to pull the reeds out, check them. Probably gonna have to just go ahead and throw a ring in it to be safe. So haven't even washed it yet, so that'll be starters. And the DR has been sitting all winter, and the petcock won't prime up, and when I turn it on, just the straight on position, the thing just runs like crap. So it's actually died on me a couple times sitting in traffic. I don't know, I think one of the circuits in the carb is clogged up, so I'm going to take it off, clean it real good. But obviously I can't even start these two bikes until I get the other three customer ones done. This 450 of John's needs a chain slider. I mean, guys, it's just endless. So all we can do is just start grinding, trying to get some stuff done. I also got some unboxings to do. There's the Wiseco bottom end kit, the Superflow kit. Got some Terex stuff over there, and have a couple dual sport tires to mount up, and those are always fun. But at least we'll have the AC on in there, man. It makes it a lot more bearable. So yeah, hopefully you guys stay with me. Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, share the video, help get the word out, and holler at us. Thanks so much.